I promise you guys, if I got 20 likes on my other photo, I will spill water on my hair. So, I'm gonna do it.
Hey scholars, I'm Marco Alcazar, and the video you just watched wouldn't have been possible without the Industrial Revolution. Actually, the world as we know it wouldn't have been possible without the Industrial Revolution. The windows on your house, they wouldn't be there, and especially this factory that makes windows, it wouldn't be there and it wouldn't allow us to be recording them.
Hey, do you guys like going on vacation on those fancy planes? Well, without the Industrial Revolution, we would still be traveling on those steamless boats. The Industrial Revolution brought major use of coal, which powered steam engines. A man named James Watt created an engine that brought about railroads and steamboats. This was the best transportation that the world knew at the time. This transportation also impacted trade since people were able to move their cargoes way faster.
Brenda's right. Without the Industrial Revolution, our transportation system would still involve horses and steamless boats. But coal did not only change the world of transportation, it also affected how factories work. Because now factories, with the use of coal, could manufacture their goods faster and in larger quantities. A person named Thomas Newcomen was able to build the most successful steam engine that his time has ever seen. This steam engine was able to get water out of coal mines and produce coal, get coal, so much faster than ever before.
Talking about steam engines, James Watt improved on it, making it more efficient in the process for mining coal. This coal was used to power the inventions for manufacturing. Manufacturing was economically more efficient in Britain, which is where it all started, because the wages were high. Since wages were high and energy was cheap, there was strong incentive to invent new technology. In the manufacturing business, cotton textiles was the first major project in the early phase of industrialization. But as new techniques and machinery were introduced, it was soon possible to extend the factory system to other industries. The major impact of factories was the faster producing of items such as clothing and furniture.
As Joy mentioned, one of the biggest impacts of factories were the clothes. If factories weren't manufacturing clothes right now, clothes would be much more expensive and it would be coming in less quantities. And we all know I'm broke, so I would probably not have a shirt on right now, and nobody wants to see that.
An amazing feature of the Industrial Revolution were its advancements in power technologies. Windmills, electricity, steam engines, and internal combustion engines were all either developed or improved on during this time period. For example, these new technologies brought about better printing and photography for the first time. The invention of electricity brought great innovations in communication technologies. One of those great innovations was the electric telegraph. The electric telegraph was made for the British railway system and brought instantaneous communication to the main political and commercial centers of the world. Later, the electric telegraph was soon followed up by the telephone and the radio. Although I only talked about communication technologies, most of the technology we have today wouldn't be possible without the Industrial Revolution.
What Anthony is trying to say is that the Industrial Revolution brought the creation of electric telegraphs, and that creation brought the creation of the phone. Now, your phone is probably the most important thing to you in your life, right? Well, then in a way, the Industrial Revolution affected your lifestyle. You know, what you eat, your diet, what you do in your free time, everything was brought up by the Industrial Revolution. Who knows what we'd be doing right now? It would be something completely different. Our lives would be completely different.
Lifestyle. Our lifestyles have changed so much thanks to the Industrial Revolution. Thanks to the Industrial Revolution, we wouldn't have many things that we have today, such as, you see that house back there? Nowadays, we have indoor plumbing. Back then, we would have to go to like an outhouse or anywhere to go to a restroom, but now we have restrooms inside our house. The phone that you're watching us record this on, this is a new technology that came thanks to the Industrial Revolution. Without this, we wouldn't be able to have easy communication or live stream or whatever you wanted to do nowadays. Even better, transportation. As one of my colleagues said, now we have easy transportation. We could go anywhere. We could go to the store. Like, we don't even have to live next to a farm. Now we could just get our food from a restaurant, from anywhere. So, without the Industrial Revolution, life would have been harder today. And even better, all of our products, we need factories in order to make the materials needed to make our items in everyday life. And that's why the Industrial Revolution helped us.
The Industrial Revolution changed the whole world. It benefited everyone and everything. This is why it's one of the most important events in history, because without it, our life would be completely different. You know, the world wouldn't be as it is right now, and quite frankly, I like how the world is right now.